All right, here's a, a good question. Ammonia is formed from its elements. So first you have to look up ammonia, and I'd look in your data booklet to see where that is. And if it's not in your data booklet, I'll always give you the formula for it. Now, ammonium is an ion, and that's that, but ammonia is NH3. So they say NH3 is formed, so it has to be on the product side. And it's formed from its elements, so it must be formed from nitrogen and hydrogen. But when you write nitrogen and hydrogen by themselves, they're diatomic, so they need to have a 2 there. Okay, both these would be gases. Ammonia's maybe a gas, maybe a liquid. Now I need to balance it. 3 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens, so let's do the common denominator thing with those. So I'll put a 2 here and a 3 there. Now nitrogens, there's 2 nitrogens on each. So it looks like I'm balanced. So my mole ratio is 1 to 3 to 2. So they say how many moles of ammonia produced? So N is equal to question mark. From 5.34 moles of hydrogen. So here's hydrogen, so I have 5.34 moles of hydrogen. Okay, so my first step then will be to convert the moles, and my only step, I guess, moles of hydrogen to moles of ammonia. So I write what I have, moles times by the mole ratio. What I want is ammonia, so that goes on top. 2 moles of ammonia react with 3 moles of hydrogen. Okay, and then multiply 5.34 times 2/3. Not sure what that gives you, but it'll come out to moles of ammonia. These ones will cancel. Hopefully that helps you with that question.